I'm Alan Watkins, Program Manager from Chicago. We are here at the AME event at Olive Branch, and we have several different agencies that are here assisting the participants. So it's like the one-stop shop. They will come in and meet with their agency, which is, we got Catholic Charities, Boulevard, and Metropolitan Family Services. So they'll come meet with them, sit down, go over some of the paperwork, and then they'll be able to look at a unit, and they'll also be able to pick out furniture. And so you can come through and see part of the team. Kenya, part of All Chicago, they're the PHA, so they check them in and assist with anything that arrives from the AME.
Look real good.